All right, let's take a look at this question. Which expression shows the prime factorization of 100? So prime factorization means we have to have prime numbers. So any answer choice that doesn't have a prime number, you can eliminate it, okay? And then it has to equal up to 100. Remember, prime numbers only have two factors. That means there are only two numbers that can be multiplied to get that number. The number 1 and itself, okay? So we can use a factor tree, which is what you guys learned to solve this. And if our number is 100, I'm going to start with that at the top. And I am going to break it down. Okay. I know I can do 2 times 50. And 2 is a prime number because you can only do 1 times 2 to get 2. Okay. We're not working with decimals. We're just talking about whole numbers. 50, there are some different ways we could get 50. So that is not a prime number. I need to break it down. Now, I am going to choose to do 2 times 25. You may choose to do 10 times 5. That's okay. There are different ways you can do it. You will get to the same answer once you're finally done. So again, 2 is prime, so I can leave that as is, and I'm going to break down my 25. I know that 5 times 5 is 25, and 5 is prime because I can only multiply 1 times 5 to get 5. So let me write this out in prime factor form. I have a 2 and a 2, so I have 2 to the power of 2. Then I have a 5 and a 5, so I have 2 5s. So I have 5 to the power of 2, and then I can multiply it. That's going to get me answer choice C.